In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Go High Level. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export your contacts, pipeline opportunities, payments data, and key reports, all in a clean, reusable format like CSV or PDF. Start by opening your browser and searching for Go High Level. From the results, click the official site and then choose the option to log into the app. If you see multiple links, pick the one that clearly leads to the platform's login page to avoid any lookalike pages or ads. On the login screen, enter your email and password, or use Sign In with Google if your account is connected. Once you're in, make sure you're working inside the correct sub-account. If your workspace has more than one, use the account switcher to land in the right place before exporting. Let's begin with contacts. While you're in the sub-account, click Contacts. Under Smart Lists, select the contacts you want to export, using the checkboxes next to each record. If you want everything that's currently visible, use the Select All checkbox at the top. It's a good idea to apply filters first, like tags, status, or last activity, so you only export what you need. When you're ready, click the Export Contacts icon in the top menu bar. It looks like an arrow pointing out of a box. This generates a CSV file that you can open in any spreadsheet tool. Give the download a moment to prepare. For large lists, it may take longer, and the file will appear in your browser's downloads. Avoid navigating away until it's finished. Next, head to Opportunities to export your pipeline data. In the pipeline view, click the export icon near the top right. Note that this will export the data currently visible based on your applied filters, such as date range, pipeline, or status. Adjust those filters first so your export includes exactly what you want. For financials, go to Payments and choose either Invoices or Transactions. Apply any necessary filters like Date and Status to narrow things down. Then click the Export button to generate a CSV of your financial records, which is helpful for reconciliation and reporting. Finally, for performance insights, go to Reporting. Whether that's Google Ads, Facebook ads, or call reporting. Set your desired date range. Then look for the Download or Export icon on individual charts or tables to save them as CSV for analysis or PDF for sharing. Each widget typically exports separately, so repeat as needed. That's it. With these steps, you can confidently export the exact data you need from Go High Level and keep your records organized and ready for analysis.